Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lashana, and in today's video I'm taking you guys, as you can tell from the title, the Hamptons. So it's my first time going to the Hamptons. I haven't been to the Hamptons ever in my life, and I've always wanted to go for about 4 or 5 years now. So I thought, why not take you with me? But before we get into the video, if you could please subscribe and hit that post notification bell. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so I just got on the bus. I'm heading to the Hamptons. But yeah, originally I was supposed to take the train, but then I ended up going too late. So now I'm on the Jitney bus. I caught it at 59th Street. I got my snacks. I am ready, okay? Got my drink. I'm ready. Getting off the bus, getting off the bus, getting off the bus. This place is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm such a tourist. The crazy thing is, like, I live in New York and this is not even that far, and I never came here. It's crazy. Like, all I needed was to take a bus or a train here, and that's it. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna show you guys some more of this beautiful place.
No, this ain't really like me. Can't control my anxiety.
Okay guys, so I got all my snacks. I'm doing a mung tang, all these snacks, and I also got cranberry. These are so good. It's crispy cranberry pistachio, okay, really good. And I got some kettle popcorn, and I got a sandwich. It has eggs, lettuce, and spinach and meat. Honestly, this is so nice, just being able to have a mini vacation. I feel like once in a blue you should always treat yourself, especially like this was so close to home, so I didn't have to spend a lot of money. I just had to put the time and effort. And now I'm gonna get a tan. Anywho, do little things. The little things count, especially for yourself. Wait, I gotta show you guys the chips. Voila, with it. And the crunch. This is so nice. I've always, like, I haven't been to the beach in like 6-7 years. Another place I want to go to is Jersey Shore, so maybe that's another trip that I can plan. Something small, convenient, not too far away. definitely gonna come again, maybe in September. It was a great experience. Thank you guys so much for watching. It was my first time going to the Hamptons. I only stayed for a day. The next time I definitely want to go for a weekend. It was a really nice, relaxing moment for me, but I'll definitely go again. Let me know what you guys' thoughts were on this video. Do you want to go to the Hamptons? If you also want to see more videos of me traveling, going little places, write it down in the comments because I will do it. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that post notification bell. Peace.